Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cars and Couches.
It's my birthday!
It's Steve's birthday. Happy birthday, Steve.
Thanks.
And today for Steve's birthday, it's just happened that the Mustang is having a small issue, which is not the Mustang's fault, and it's something else's fault. So what happened here?
It's my fault. I broke it.
Is basically, you guys see this shifter here? So I bought this guy from American Muscle. And
You're going to go one more time?
So basically what happened is it's not really great quality. I reached out to them and about this issue, and they really kind of just told me to put glue on it because there's no warranty. But what's happening is, I don't know if you guys hear it.
That's a cap.
So imagine that now you're on the freeway and this is just rattling like crazy, or when you're shifting.
I hear it.
Hear that like tack?
Yeah.
Here, watch the difference. Watch the difference. So now imagine how annoying that is while you're driving and you just keep hearing that dock, whatever noise. So now
wait. Does it make the noise when it's just in gear and you're just driving, or no?
Yes.
Oh god.
Yeah, it'll go like, it'll just vibrate really violently and terribly.
Probably because of that isolator you have.
Whatever, but the point is, I reached out and it's made by Modern Billet, which is an inside company at American Muscle, like it's an inside manufacturer, whatever. It's like they don't, Modern Billet doesn't talk to customers. American Muscle talks to customers for them, apparently. And I was told by American Muscle that there's no warranty on it, and they told me to glue it. I said it was kind of ridiculous that after not even a year of usage this is happening, and they said we can't do anything about it. Sorry, buddy. Pretty much buy a new one or glue it. So I think, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I think I might just put the old one on and then get something later, but I don't know. I'm going to maybe take it off and take a closer look at it and see what, if there's some kind of solution we can find, and we'll go from there. So we're deciding to take it off. So Steve's going to just unscrew it pretty much.
In case you didn't know how to take this off, you just grab it like you do on your knob and just give it a good old yank and twist.
Yep. It's just Loctite really holding it together.
Yeah. Was it blue Loctite?
Yeah, it's blue. But I'm honestly never had an issue. So.
Oh,
there you go. There you go. Polish the knob, Steve. What do we got? Okay, that's it. Now, I think we're going to take it apart. I kind of want to see what the issue is.
Yeah.
And, there you go.
Those 3 screws there with learning experience, boys.
All right, let's go inside, check it out.
All right, so after further inspection, good news up, we can fix this. So, the cap right here is actually held on by a Allen bolt in there. It's a 2.5 mil.
Don't move. I'm going to zoom.
Okay.
Okay, yep, there you go.
Yep, see it, okay. So, just get yourself one of these cheap things, right? 2.5 mil, like I said. Tighten up a little bit. It's because Zut's car makes too much goddamn fucking noise. It's vibrated the shit out of it.
Nice.
All fixed.
So, they were wrong about the gluing. They could have just said, hey, why don't you just tighten that bolt, right?
Yeah.
Man,
well, I mean, people in customer service, they don't know exactly what's going on.
Yeah, unfortunately. So. But I figured that by now. Well.
There, all fixed.
Man. I guess now all we gotta do.
Where you ends up?
I'm trying to make this stop moving. But I guess now all we gotta do is just put it back on with the glue.
Yeah, with the Loctite.
Yeah, the Loctite. And should be good to go.
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! Sweet. Alright, so I hope you guys liked the video and it helped you guys fix your problem. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Woo! Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications when you put more videos up. Yeah. And let us know if you want to see anything special. So,
1,000 subs!
1,000 subs, bro. Subscribe right now, bro. Subscribe. Peace out.
Bye.